Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and most exciting innovations in the smartphone world. Today, we are diving deep into the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, the latest addition to Nothing's growing lineup. Known for its transparent design, glyph lighting, and minimalist approach, Nothing has consistently delivered smartphones that stand out in the market. But with the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, the brand is taking things up a notch by introducing an upgraded display, a more powerful processor, and new features like an action button for enhanced functionality. So, does the Nothing Phone 3A Pro have what it takes to compete with other flagship killers? Let's find out. Nothing has mastered the art of minimalism, and the Phone 3A Pro continues that tradition with its sleek, transparent back panel that showcases its internal components. The signature glyph lighting design has been further refined, allowing users to interact with their phones in a unique way. The LED strips are now brighter and more customizable, offering new animations for notifications, calls, charging status, and even music synchronization. Another key highlight is the new action button, positioned on the side of the device. Inspired by Apple's Action button on the iPhone 15 Pro, this button is fully customizable, allowing users to quickly toggle silent mode, launch apps, activate Google Assistant, or trigger other shortcuts. This adds an extra layer of convenience for power users. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth scrolling, gaming, and UI transitions. The vibrant colors, deep blacks, and HDR10+ support make it an excellent screen for multimedia consumption, whether you're watching Netflix, playing high-end games, or browsing social media. With Gorilla Glass protection, the display is more durable and scratch-resistant, making it ideal for everyday use. The ultra-thin bezels and punch-hole selfie camera contribute to a modern and immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro runs on the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, an efficient yet powerful processor that ensures smooth performance, fast app launches, and responsive gaming. While it may not match the extreme power of flagship Snapdragon 8 series chips, it delivers excellent efficiency and optimized thermal performance, making it perfect for daily tasks, social media, and moderate gaming. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, the phone handles multitasking with ease, allowing users to switch between apps without lag. The improved AI-based optimization in Nothing OS 3.1 ensures that the system remains smooth even after months of usage. Nothing has stepped up its camera game with the Phone 3A Pro, featuring a triple camera setup that consists of 50MP main sensor with an advanced Sony sensor. This camera delivers sharp details, accurate colors, and excellent dynamic range, making it ideal for both daylight and low-light photography. 50MP periscope telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom. This periscope zoom lens ensures that distant objects remain sharp and detailed, offering a premium portrait photography experience. 8MP ultra-wide lens expands your field of view, allowing you to capture stunning landscapes and group shots with minimal distortion. The improved night mode, AI scene detection, and HDR capabilities ensure that every shot looks professional and Instagram-ready. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera provides crystal-clear selfies and high-quality video calls. The Nothing OS camera software has also been optimized with new AI-enhanced algorithms that improve edge detection, color accuracy, and background blur in portrait shots. Battery life is crucial, and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro doesn't disappoint. With a 5,000 mAh battery, The phone can easily last an entire day of heavy usage, including gaming, video streaming, and social media browsing. Charging is also blazing fast, thanks to 45W wired fast charging. This means you can go from 0 to 50% in under 25 minutes, ensuring that your phone is always ready to go. While wireless charging is not included, the fast wired charging makes up for it. As expected, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro comes with 5G connectivity, offering faster download speeds, lower latency, and improved network performance. Other connectivity features include Wi-Fi 6E for faster and more stable wireless internet connections. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures seamless pairing with wireless earbuds and other accessories. NFC support for contactless payments and quick data transfers. USB Type-C 3.1 faster file transfers and charging capabilities. The stereo speakers have also been tuned for immersive audio, making the phone ideal for media consumption and gaming. Running on Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, the Phone 3A Pro offers a bloatware-free, smooth, and intuitive software experience. Some standout features include new glyph customization, letting users set unique light patterns for notifications, ringtones, and charging indicators. Action button shortcuts, fully customizable for quick access to apps and settings. AI-powered enhancements, optimizing performance and battery efficiency over time. Nothing has also promised 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patches, ensuring long-term software support. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is a unique smartphone that combines a futuristic design, an immersive display, reliable performance, and an upgraded camera system. The glyph lighting, new action button, and refined Nothing OS make it stand out from the crowd. If you're looking for a mid-range phone with flagship-like features, clean software, and a unique transparent design, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is a solid choice. What do you think about Nothing's latest smartphone? Does it have what it takes to be your next device? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more exciting tech content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest smartphone releases. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.